So how did I go about formulating a user test for my learning activity prototype? Well, to begin with, I had to figure out what my protocol was going to be. So I decided to start off with a survey with targeted questions. I stressed to my students the importance of providing me honest, critical feedback. And then I followed it up with a panel discussion with potential users. And during that process, I was taking notes during the discussion. So let's talk a little bit about the survey. First of all, the students had a series of questions where they rated certain elements of the activity on a scale of 1 to 10. Next, I really feel like it was kind of like an anticipatory activity. I felt like the students were more engaged in the evaluation process of the activity because of the scale. It gave them a time to reflect on some of the conclusions they were drawing from evaluating the activity. So far as the panel discussion is concerned, it was the interaction of the users with one another that created a more dynamic discussion. And that interplay between the users and their comparing their experience with one another is really the thing that fleshed out more insights. Some of the more compelling insights came from those exchanges, rather than simply relying on an interview with me, the user-designer relationship. So that is the essence of my approach to my test, and it gave me lots of feedback for me to go back to an earlier portion of the design process and reformulate and try again.